The Blind Dog by R.K. Narayan. Pronunciation of difficult words. Part 1. Sami, Malgudi, Choultry, Ribbon, Vendor, Ball, Cord, Rascal, Tugged, Seizes, Devil, Lead, Perfumer, Thursday, Tiger, Straining, Remarked, Licked, Rounds, Howled, Forever, Haunts, Laughed, Observing, Stalked, Sprang, Slept, Colored, Arms, Chain, Heartless, Circumscribed, Pavement, Spotty, Foes, Fond, Rends, Tease, Ability, Gunny Sack, Owners, Wield, Extricated, Instinct, Mischief, Crisis, Pugnacity, Wholesale, Tumble, Gratefully, Skirmishes, Blackguard, Muttering, Perfume, Vehicles, Ribbons, Engaged, Receive, Peculiar, Tape, Taut, Compress as verb, Compress as noun, Finger, Kick, Imprisoned, Confined, Celebrated, Bred, Gunny, Nosed, Novel, Haunches, Wrist, Swore, Despairing, Rambling, Listening, Curled, Marveled, Poked. Thank you.